Hey, what's going on everyone, this is Kedar here, and today in this video we have got all the latest updates regarding California's middle class tax refund payments, and we have got this latest update from the State of California Franchise Tax Board webpage itself. And as per the latest update, we have got two important dates updated onto the page. So right here in the month of January, also in the month of February 2023, those mctr payments are coming in, so stay tuned to know exact payment dates. And you know what, there are still some people who did not receive their California's middle class tax refund payments, and there are a couple of reasons why they still didn't got their payments. So continue to watch this video because we are going to discuss some very important aspects. So without further ado, let's get right into all the important updates. And quickly before we start this video, be sure to check out our channel How To Guys, and make sure to subscribe with all the bell notification turn on. Whether it's a stimulus update, register your benefits, latest stimulus program, we have got tons of updates, so do check out our channel. And with that being said, let's jump right into all the important details. Now many of you right here in the community ask me this very important question. I'm living in the state of California, and why still I didn't receive my California MCTR payment? Whether it's a direct deposit or debit card payments, there are a couple of important reasons why your payments are still onto the way. Now if you simply Google MCTR, you'll land up onto the Franchise Tax Board middle class tax refund page, and here is onto the page we have got couple of latest updates. So as of right now, they have already issued like 90 to 95% of the payments, whether it's a direct deposit or debit cards. They have already issued decent amount of payments through MCTR. Now if you are aware of the latest update regarding these payments, if you know that actually these payments are expected to be issued between the October 2022 and January 2023. This is as per their latest update, but looks like guys, these January payments are even stretching further and further, and we are receiving the latest update, and according to that update, some of the payments are even coming in the month of February 2023. So let's check it out. Okay, so speaking of the exact payment issuance date, first we'll see the direct deposit payments. Now here's the thing, I would say like 98 to 99% of the payments already issued. Speaking of the direct deposit payments, whether it's a Golden State Stimulus or non-Golden State Stimulus recipient, all those payments are issued by 14th of the November 2022. So direct deposits are totally out of a question. Now coming over to the debit card payments, a lot of you right here in the community ask me this very important question, when we are going to receive those payments. And speaking of the details, well guys, pretty much all the Golden State Stimulus and non-Golden State Stimulus recipient already received their payment in the last year, that is the 2022 and month of December. But actually there are two group of recipients who are still on their way to receive the middle class tax refunds. And here's the thing, since your 2020 tax returns filing, if you have changed any sort of details such as banking information, address onto your filings, then you are among the group of recipients who are still on their way to receive their payments. And more specifically, those group of direct deposit recipients who have changed their banking information since their 2020 tax returns filing, those group of recipients will be going to receive their payments right here in the January 2023. And speaking of the exact benefit issuance date, they will start receiving their payments starting from 17th of the December 2022 going all the way until 14th of the January 2023. So again, make sure all those direct deposit recipients who have changed their banking information, so you have updated your banking information, then you will be going to receive your payments until 14th of the January of the 2023. Now moving forward to the next group of recipients, well, next debit card recipients whose address has been changed since their 2020 tax returns filing, those group of recipients will be going to receive their payments starting from 30th of the January 2023 going all the way through the 14th of the February 2023. So here's the thing guys, again let me repeat, those recipients who have changed their address details, those group of recipients will be getting payments on 14th of the February 2023. Now one thing you should remember though, these direct deposits typically occur between 3 to 5 business days from the exact issue date, and according to the situation, these payments may delay 1 or 2 days, so you may need to check those out after. So you may need to check out your financial institution regarding those. And speaking of the debit card that you are going to receive by mail, well, you need to allow up to 2 weeks from the exact issuance date. So here is the thing, speaking of the direct deposit recipients, well, you may need to allow up to 3 to 5 business days from the exact issuance date. So the exact issuance date is the 14th of the January 2023, but if you allow like 3 to 5 business days, then you might need to wait until 19th of the January 2023 just in case to receive your payments. And we are talking about those direct deposits, those can take 3 to 5 business days from the exact issue date. Now speaking of those debit card recipients who have changed their address, you may need to allow like 2 weeks from your issue date. So their exact issuance date is 14th of the February 2023. Speaking of the 2 weeks, you need to wait like something like 28th of the February 2023. So again, lot of you right here in the community have this tendency. Lot of you simply check the exact issuance date and basically comment down the video, I still not received my payment. And here's the exact thing, guys. For direct deposit, you need to give it 3 to 5 days extra. And speaking of the debit cards, you need to allow up to 2 weeks from these issuance date. And depending on your CAAGI reported on your tax returns, you could be eligible for starting from $400 going all the way up to $1,050, whether you are married filing jointly, heads of household or qualifying widower, or single or married filing separately. You can check this out, how much payment you'll be going to receive in the details. And if you need any sort of a help regarding your payments, whether you need assistance with your activation, replacement or lost or stolen card, then you can give it a call onto this helpline 800-240-0223. With that being said, I hope you found this video helpful, so make sure to hit that like button for me, that really helps us. Be sure to check out our channel How To Guys. Also don't forget to subscribe with all the bell notification to never miss new videos we upload every single day. And this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.